Hello and welcome to Trucking Answers. I'm Mark. I've been a driver for over 30 years, even though it looks like I just started driving last week. I think we should get paid for all of our time, and we should get a decent wage for doing it. If you agree, it's time to subscribe. Let's get an update. We've got an update, breaking news. All right, PAM. You remember last year we talked about the lawsuit against PAM that said PAM is not paying their drivers minimum wage for all of their time. I'm going to link it up here at the top so you can see the original video about it. There is an update. The judge just ruled, okay, here's what happened. So PAM got sued. And the driver said, look, you're not paying us for minimum wage for our time. You got to pay us. It's the law here. PAM said, no, we don't. We don't like paying people anything. We pay them as low as possible. That's paraphrasing what they said. And the judge said no in the original case, okay? And that no way, you got to pay people for basically all the time that they're not sleeping, okay? Up to 16 hours a day, at least minimum wage. PAM asked for a reconsideration, which they're allowed to do. The ruling from the reconsideration, which is saying to the judge, would you reconsider? The judge just came out and said, no way, you lose, PAM. No soup for you. You're out of here. I love it. Okay. They said that PAM's practices go against the Fair Labor Standards Act. Okay. And he certified the case as a class action now. The U.S. District Judge reaffirmed that PAM violated the federal labor law for not paying drivers at least minimum wage for their non-sleeping hours. That's right. PAM violated the law. The judge said that PAM violated federal labor law. And who didn't know that over at that place, all right? So, what is PAM's response to that? PAM says, we are very disappointed with the ruling. Duh, of course they're going to say that. And here's a quote. We plan to vigorously fight this. That's a quote from them. Isn't that awesome? And I'll have the article, the original article, in the description as well. You can read the whole article about it. All right. Here's the thing about a company like this. PAM will spend millions of dollars, tons and tons of money fighting so that they don't have to pay people anything. Now, I know all these people write in, you all write into me whenever I do something about a company. Oh, I work at this company and I love it here and it's just the greatest. They pay me for almost 30% of the time I work. It's a garbage place. Nobody should work there. Everybody that's there should quit. They're one of the lowest paying places anyhow in the industry besides all of this money. So now that it is certified, there are currently 3,000 drivers in the class action and that can go forward now, and it is going to go forward, and I will keep on top of it. I will be all over it, right? Like a tire on the pavement. Holy mackerel, a trucker reference. Look, I love it. I love it when companies like this are brought down to their knees for not paying people the money that they should get. I mean, to pay people somebody minimum wage, you don't want to do that. You're going to fight, send tons of lawyers into federal court, federal appeals attorneys. Why don't you just pay people? How about that? How about we just pay people for their time? Is that too much to ask? Apparently it is, because, quote, we plan to vigorously fight this. Other companies have done this too, okay? In 2016, England had to pay $2.35 million to 6,000 drivers. In 2017, Werner had to pay $750,000. Swift has got 100,000 drivers suing them right now. That started at the end of last year. Is there some kind of pattern about this? Oh, yeah. What do you know? What is the pattern for all these companies? Wow, there's some kind of pattern. England, Werner, Swift, PAM, they're the ones being sued. Huh. I know there's some kind of pattern in it. I just don't know what it is. Boy, can you think of what the pattern is? Why is it those companies that are being sued? See you on the next one. Thanks for watching. I will keep you updated on this.